Yo, yo, yo. Mic check. Yo, chat, now hear me? Mic check, mic check. Today I went. Today Thursday. What I did do? Everybody good? Chat, we are starting in like 2 minutes, chat. We are starting in like 2 to 3 minutes. We start by running the analysis. After the analysis, we mark up and then we wait for entries. Let me see if we have news today. Let me see if we have news that come out today. Hold on. We just have a yellow folder for out at 11 a.m. Nothing major. FOMC member bar speaks. That not really major still. But yeah, chat. The only thing we have a yellow folder at 11 o'clock. You see me? We have another folder at 4 and at 3, but we're not go there at any time there. Alright, chat. So alright, give me 2 minutes, chat. Give me 2 minutes, my forward and share screen or run the analysis. You see me? Give me 2 minutes, chat. Alright, chat. You're fully active now. Well, I'm gonna say some. Alright, we're good, we're good. Alright, chat. We'll just jump straight tonight, bro. I send me that send out the link. But me do that already still. Hold on, may I start share screen? Give me a second. Alright, hopefully not see my screen now. I'll just jump straight into it. Alright, chat. Yeah. So today Thursday, we are running analysis and so I can go on. We're not on the news. We're not on the news today. I mean, we have news at level, but it's just a yellow folder. It's nothing too serious. GBP are going. Look at GBP. GBP have a whole heap of news that come out today, but me not trade that though. I go alone, me trade. So yeah, chat, and this journal may end up fill it out yesterday. Hold on. Me end up fill out the journal yesterday, chat. So this I drawdown trade what we take yesterday. We're going a 75 pip drawdown, and then hold on. Load up a pen. Yeah, we're going a 75 pip drawdown, as I can see. Right, that's all, cause I calculate my max drawdown, chat. I keep track of max drawdown, you see me? So right, that's all. This is yesterday trade. We're going a 75 pip drawdown, but we end up hit break even whenever lose a trade. We end up hit break even and then price pushing a forward direction. But me never journal that on stream though. I journal it off stream because I have somewhere to go. But either way, that in our journal now, you see it, so that good. We just jump on the charts and see what can go on. Hold on. Alright, chat. So we are running analysis, bro. It's my first time even look on the chart from yesterday. From yesterday after we trade, me not forward back on the charts, bro. So I don't even know what's going. Alright, chat. So by looking at it, as I'm saying, it's my first look. So I start from the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame finally flip bullish, and we start from the monthly and drop down to like a smaller time frame. Them, you see me? I'm using monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute. So I just like we use a whole of them. You see me, chat? Yeah, bro. So that are the weekly time frame. Daily can go finally flip bullish. Weekly flip bullish. We have like 1 day and 9 hours left till the weekly can go close. If I drop down to the daily time frame, as you can see, daily time frame finally fill the range. Same thing I'm telling you yesterday. I remember yesterday I say, yo, we have like this daily time frame in our range. As you mean, we never grab liquidity, we could definitely push up and like fill the range. Cause this right here, this right here would be top of the range. As me chat, which price basically like reach or almost reach. This would have been like a bottom of my range right here, so you see me. So yesterday daily candle chat, which was this one, me I say, yo, we could definitely push up and fill the range. But yesterday we never fill the range. This daily can go open up right here, so in a middle range. But what this daily can go end up fill the range. You see me? So either way we fill the range. It take 2 daily can go, but either way the range get filled. So so yeah, chat. As I said, Hold on, let me see so. Give me a second. Alright, we're good, we're good. Alright, chat. So yeah. Since the daily can go forward up Philly range, two things can happen to the chat. If we put one line right so. You see me, that I top of range, this I bottom of range, you see me? We push up and we fill the range. Two things can happen, bro. Would basically wait. Hold on, I'm not sure now. Move this. No, not all of them. Hold on, the chat. I'm draw this out. Cause me I show you like what like my idea going in for today, but me I like me make sure me draw it out and show you so you can have a better understanding. So as I said, the daily candle range right now. Remember yesterday we talked about like we should be able to forward up and fill the range. Remember I'm telling you yesterday. So the daily candle close in a midline range chat. After we close in a midline range, after we close in a midline range, the next daily candle, which is today, this one, the current daily candle forward up and fill the range. So my idea for today is chat. Since now we fill the range, I would expect price to do something like this. Either we forward back down, grab liquidity, then push up and break the highs. After we break the highs, chat, we'll look for a buy. Would I wait until it can go forward back and close back into the range? And why? Cause we are range, you see me? Then move this. We are range chat. So if price are range, and then this would have be the first breakout. See price are range right here, so up down, up down, up down. We finally break out for the first time. You see me? If that will happen today, which would have be right here, so it's like top of range. If this bullish candle will actually break out, would look for no buyers, would I wait and see if the candle can actually reject back into the range. You see me chat, like something like this. See how this candle reject back into the range. So once that happen, then would I look for sales going down, because as I say, the daily candle in our range and we not grab no liquidity. We never grab no liquidity before we push up. So if today we can manage to break the highs, grab liquidity chat, and after we grab liquidity, price forward back down and close back into the range, would I look for some sales once we close back into the range for forward down. Here's my chat. That would have been my idea. He sells them, so hopefully you get that. You not really like you see if you're day up on like you stream them like Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday stream, especially Wednesday stream, only would understand like the idea for today, because you see when we analyze the chart every day is like we basically already like have an idea of what could have happened. So that's why I chat. Just because like me did up on the chart yesterday, me did already know say yo we could have forward up to fill the daily candle range. You see my chat. So it's like yesterday analysis and today analysis kinda like similar at that match. So if you did up on the stream yesterday, you'll have a way better understanding of what me I do today. You see me? Would I wait for a breakout chat? Would I wait for liquidity? After liquidity grab, if we push up and grab liquidity, at least push up on top this level. Hold on, I'm sure now. We have a level at 4,080 and we have a level at 4,040 chat. See if we can push up and tap anyone at this level, bro. Like if this bullish can go push up, tap, and then fall back down, flip, and we get like a closure back into the range. I can go forward down and close back into the range. That would have be decent. Would I look for some sales? Hopefully not understand that though. But yeah, we'll just wait for that. And if he buys them chat, would I want to see price reject, grab liquidity, and then push back up. You see me? So we are drop down to like a 4 time frame. I like remember I'm telling you we use all like time frame them chat, so that are just like me look at the daily time frame. You see me? We're not gonna mark up from the daily time frame. We're gonna mark up from like a smaller time frame them. So that was the daily. We drop down to like the 4 right now. As you can see, we got like what 24 minutes left until this 4 can go close. This 4 can go basically just range. This whole entire 4 can go just range, bro. So alright, chat. So if we are range, two things can happen. You gotta expect price for either fall down this 4 candle. This 4 candle, you gotta expect it for flip back bearish, print a steeper low. Like, cause if we print a steeper low, that could be like liquidity, but we drive up. Cause since we already have this low, where candle already print, and we fail for drive up, this bullish candle fail for drive up, not about the current one. Cause this is a whole entire 4-hour candle and we have 24 minutes left. So for majority I candle this, like, we just range for majority I like a time. You see me? So since we fail for push bullish, we're probably going to need a steeper low than this, chat. So I say if this 4 candle for flip bearish, re-break its lows, print a steeper wick down towards at least, we call this 39.90. If we fall at least down towards 39.90, chat, print a low and then flip back bullish, we could look for buys going up, chat. But as I'm saying, in order for look for buys, we're going to need liquidity first. Just by looking at it after the 4 time frame, I don't think this is enough, chat. We're going to need another candle for fall down and print another low, you see me, before we push up. Alright, and not only that, you see if price just push up, chat. You see if price don't break it low, right, so, and you just push up, we're going to avoid buys. Because remember me telling you, once we push up without liquidity, if we push up, your price can just print like a fake out back into the range. And if price print a fake out back into the range like so, price print a fake out back into the range, this would have now be like liquidity for fall down. Price would have now print a high and then continue down. You see me, chat? So we are go watch out for that. In order for we take buys going up, we need liquidity. If we push up without liquidity, we are avoid the buys them and take sales once we get a closure back into the range. If that, hopefully that makes sense. So that's at the 4-hour time frame, chat. That's the 4-hour. So we'll drop down to like the 1 hour now. At 1 hour, I basically when I start mark up my levels, them, chat. You see me? But we just try like see what I want for like a day. Alright, so we drop down to 1 hour. As I can see, chat, we fall down. Hold on, delete them there. Basically, we in a uptrend, price a push up. Last night price basically a push up, chat, and after that, hold on, let me measure this. Wait, more see this at how much? Hold on. It's 100 pips. Wow. Alright, chat. As I said, yeah, so price a push up from last night. We finally, hold on, bear with me, bro. I'm gonna try like draw out them first. Alright, so price a push up. We finally like we break this low right as cause you can see candle have a low right as so. Hold on, I move this so you can see it better. As you can see, chat, we break and we print a low right as so, and then the candle start to push back up. You see me? So me I wait and see if this candle can at least like close above the range. You see if we fall back up, print another low, and we close above the range right as a chart. As I said, I don't look for no buys just yet because I'm unsure of this. This lower price print, I'm not really sure if this is enough to actually carry price up and break structure. We're probably going to need a steeper low than this. You see me? So if this current bullish candle right now, if we just continue up, chat, close above the highs, and put one line right here, so can I start mark up now. Put one line right there, so you see me? How that? Alright, chat. Yeah, put one line right there, so on like the highs. You see me? That's also like the rebreak of the 4 candle highs. Yeah, chat. So I just adjust this. So as I'm saying, I mark up charts now with the same idea in mind. Remember idea where we have
The
like
sounds of an Etsy holiday.
hold on, chat. Give me a second.
Now that's special. Want to hear it again? Get original and affordable gifts from small shops on Etsy for gifts that say, I get you. Shop Etsy.
Yeah, bro. Me already know. Alright. Alright, bro. So yeah, chat. As I say. So we have put the level there on the rebreak of the 4 rectangle highs. That's how I put my first level. And as I'm saying, I mark up the levels with the same idea in mind. We just go by analysis. So now that we have like, remember I say yo, on the daily time frame within our range, you see me? And with that expect yesterday, we push up and fill the range, which basically happened. We fill the entire range, but now, as I'm say, it's like me not sure if price like I got push up and break all of these highs, chat. You see, we have these highs over here, so I even if we do push up to this high right here, so more to expect price for like push up and break structure. More to expect like a heavy bullish push, right? Because when I have liquidity, you see me. So if this can go for push up, re-break its highs, chat, more to wait for push up at least tap these highs over here, so you see we have like high right here, so we have high right here, so if we can tap any one of these highs after like this can go a push up, more to wait for like a closure back into the range. So if we push up and then we tap the high, we close back into the range, so now that would be a fake out. Would I look for sales going down and would I have like liquidity, because you could call this liquidity. You see me? Not only that, price in our range right now, chat. Price in our range from 39.20, yeah, 39.20 to what? To 39.80. So this is top of range, this is bottom of range. You see me? So if price will break out of the range, we now look for no buys on the first breakout. We wait for price print a fake out, close back into the range, and then we look for like a continuation going down. We fill this range again. You see me, chat? So we play a range day them. You would expect a breakout of this range because you would expect a breakout of this range because we don't have no liquidity. You see me? If this bullish candle yesterday they do something like this, chat. You see if well, let me use the next one. You see if this bullish candle yesterday they push down and break the lows, and then we start with push back and close back into the range, then we could have said, alright, would I look for buys like on the breakout. You see me, chat? Cause why? Cause we have liquidity. We break out of the range and grab liquidity. This would have been liquidity. You see me, chat? But since that never happened, price just like push straight back up from in a range. This breakout is a high chance it might be a fake out. You see me? Red folder in 17 minutes. I think that of a GBP. And a goal that. We not have no news. We not have no red folder for goal. Let me check again. Let me make sure. Yeah, bro, we have GBP news, but a goal may trade. Wait, this gone by the way. This I did from 7 a.m. That gone. Which news we have 15 minutes? So which period I trade? Goal now in the news in 15 minutes. As I said our chat, yeah. So since we don't have no liquidity, we now look for no breakout, bro. Cause once price breakout, we might get a fake out back into the range. And the fake out would now be liquidity, you see me? So with that in mind, we'll mark up a chart. See what we can get. We'll put the next line, yes, chat. We'll put a line, yes, sir. I draw this down. So me have a line at 40.46.85, chat. You see me? Me have a line 40.46.85. This would have been my resistance. You see me, chat? It's just like another a rebreak of this candle high right here. So if this current candle, chat, we push up, re-break this high right here, so or even tap these highs, cause this high could definitely get top. So any one of them high there, once we tap them or even break them, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait to see if price print a fake out back into the range. You see my chat? And if price do that, would I look for sells? Would I look for sells below right here, so? Below here, so chat. Would I look for sells below here, so? If we go down towards the bottom of the range. But would the target all the way down here, so? Would I probably target, if we enter sells right here, so? Would I probably target this level right here, so? You see my chat? Even though we just a target this level right here, so you would expect the whole entire range to get filled though after we grab liquidity up top. But this is a massive range though. We don't have to go for sealer. We don't have to like go for entire range, bro. Let me measure range. 500. This is a 1,000 pip range chat. 1,000 pip range. So we don't have to like, we don't have to aim for all of that. But yeah, so I re-break at the highs and we're good with I look for sells anywhere below here, so. So that how me get my tree line them on the chart. You see me? So now, hold on, let me see. So yeah, chat that. So now me I go just wait and see how price print. You see me? Hopefully understand the analysis. If you did on the stream yesterday, you would understand, cause I see him like the analysis we have yesterday. It basically a play out today. You see me? It just done play out, cause remember yesterday when we forward on the chart. Yesterday, cause this bullish candle, I went forward on the chart yesterday. It was yesterday, right? I remember I said to you, say, yo, price in a range. You see me chat? Hold on, I'm gonna delete them. So that I'm a markup chat, I just hide them, you see me? But that I'm a markup. And bear in mind, we might adjust we levels them in more candle print. You're going to see me adjust my levels them. But this is what I talked about yesterday, chat. Price have a level right here, so you see me 39.40. That's like a support level. We have another level right here, so this is the resistance. So the resistance right here, so I'll put that down some more. Yeah, so resistance right, that's a chat. You see me? So yesterday when we fall on the chart, this bullish candle was yesterday. When we fall on the chart, I realized say, yo, this bullish candle it only print a low towards like the bottom of the range. We never break out. We never like do something like this. We never like push down, print like a steep low, break even this low to the left. We never do something like this, chat. So that's why yesterday I said to you, say, yo, we are gonna wait. No, yesterday I said to you, say, yo, mood expect price breakout at this range, right? So mood expect a breakout because we don't have liquidity. You see me? And now we forward on the chart today, I basically same thing I have my chat. So since we not have sealer, since we not have liquidity, same idea, bro. Would I just we not look for no breakout? We not look for the first breakout, cause if price breakout without liquidity, as what I say, it's like I same thing. I just the same thing I go over, bro. If price breakout without liquidity, there's a high chance gold close back bearish back into the range. So we have to wait for that chat. It's like your analysis not hard today. I swear, it's not hard, bro. Today look like a good day. Today look like it's gonna be a good day, bro. And you know, I kind of like them range day chat. As you see, range day them, may have like players for range day them. Whenever price a range, that's how when me get some like. Whenever price a range, that's how when me get some of the best trades, bro. I like a range cycle. Range cycle are my type. Days we are range for now, you know. Days, bro. But as I say, I like a range cycle, man. Cause once you learn how to like play range them, you're gonna be good, bro. Even though price are range, you just have to learn how to play them. But yeah, that's the analysis chat. Hopefully you understand, bro. Anything you understand, just ask a question. Remember me telling you, we're wait for like we'll wait for price to re-break the highs and close back into the range. And if price re-break the highs and don't close back into the range, we would have wait for price print structure and close above the range 2. Then we'll look for buys. And if you don't understand what I just say, I'm gonna show you. So remember we expect price to break the highs, and after we break the highs we'll close back into the range. You see me? That we're expecting, but that not have to happen. Price can break the highs, and don't close back into the range, like something like this. Price break the highs and just keep going up. You see me? After even range a little bit, print a little fake out. Price can do this. You see me, chat? We not have to like forward back down into the range. But if price do this, basically when we would have wait on price re-break the highs, close above the range, we would have wait for like a higher low. If we can get couple higher low, chat, or if we can range a little bit and then grab liquidity, then we would have look for take buys once we like print structure. It's like, oh, we have them low here, right? So hold on, I'm showing you. We have a low right here, so we have a low right here, so we have a low right here, so chat. So if all of this will happen after we push up, and then we fall down and we break and we print a new low, and after we print a low, we start to push back up with structure on the way up. You see me? Cause if you just make one straight pop up, me not take no buys. We'd have to push up with structure. You see me? So if that will happen, we start to get higher lows and we close back above the range again, then we would look for take buys. Like my buys would have the right as a chat. We look for take buys. Right as so to continue up. You see me? But after all of this happen though, all of this would have to happen. So yeah, we fully understand that. Would you have news today that would be good? And bear in mind, as I'm say, like, you see my levels and when I have markup check, and them no mean buyers above or sells below. You see, me telling that every day. They no mean buyers above or sells below. I just have them mark up for like identify the ranges. You see me chat, that's all. We might take sales in the middle of the range or buys in the middle of the range. Them align are just to identify ranges. No, you don't have nothing to do with buys above or sales below. Yeah, chat, now we just play a waiting game. This can go close in 6 minutes. We need some volume. Bro. Price look dead. Probably it go pick up still. But it look dead right now. But everything look good still, chat. We're not gonna lie. We just need some volume now and we're good. What time? Almost 9 o'clock. 6 minutes to 9, bro. We're probably going to get some volume by like if we volume no pick up like now, probably going to have to wait till like 9:30. The comments open. I just arrange them, I measure up, arrange them kind of massive still chat, but it's like whenever you do your analysis, it have to like feel like it have to feel like a stretch kinda. You see me? Cause levels them when I want to see get top chat, it would have requires like volume. Like would I need volume, bro? Cause them like 100 pips away. Like look, from which power price they're right now to the rebreak of the highs, that are 350 pips, bro. You see me? And I remember we say, yo, we want to see the highs, we want to see price rebreak the highs and forward back and close back into the range. So I hold up and move price so that have to move. You see me? That's why I'm say like whenever you analyze the chart and you forward up, like your idea kind of look like a stretch. If you don't look like a stretch, probably like you don't have a great idea, bro. Cause every time I forward and I see something I do chat. When I analyze the chart, I be like, Jano, like, do your market a move right now? And the range I want to see get filled, this is a whole entire 350 pip range. So price have to go pick up speed. But that good though. As I say, analysis have to kind of feel like a stretch a little bit. So once we close above chat, you see once we close above and we break the highs. So once we have 2 minutes left. By the way, me even feel like this can go close above. Let me tell you what I feel like it happen. What me assume would happen. Look, so we have this candle chat. We have this current 4-hour candle. 2 minutes left. You see me in a whole entire 4-hour candle. So basically this candle not do nothing. It just range. So when me would I expect for happen, would I expect this bullish candle close right way there. After it close right way there. Well, I'm zooming. Yeah, chat. After this bullish candle close, whether I close weak bullish or if it flip and close bearish, like me I talk about the range. Start closing that range. After closing that range, I expect the next candle to open up and break the lows, chat. See if the next candle can open up and break the lows, and after we break the lows, we manage to push back up and flip back bullish, chat. See if that will happen. Then we could have probably take buys going up. You see me? We could have take buys going up towards the highs where you see we have to the left. You see my chart, but would have to need like a steeper low first. Would I need like liquidity first? You see me? Anyway, price reject. Like if the next 4 I can go open up and it just reject, print a low. Once it anyway reject from, if it flip back bullish and we start to print structure on the way up, that would have been good, bro. And this right here, I call structure chat. You see me? Once we start to print higher lows, and we keep one close above the range. So some would look for take buys. But that's how I feel like it happen though. Because if a 1 minute left, this 4 can go close in a minute. I would expect we close bullish above the range. We are going to close right way there. Just by how things look. And as I'm say, if we close right way there, yeah, expect the next 4 can go open up, break the lows. After we break the lows, whenever it flip back bullish, close back above the range, we could get buys going up towards these highs and measure that and see that how much from above here, so towards the highs. That would have this 100 pip range going up, chat. So would I just adjust this down towards the highs area, so right here, so because this like the next level will more likely to get a rejection. If price will break the highs and push up, we are gonna see a reaction right here, so you see me. 4,035.57. That are resistance. But yeah, hopefully I understand that though. Like now we just play a waiting game. I think me do enough breakdown from stream start till now. I just breakdown me and breakdown. So like now we just play a waiting game and see what I got. We already have idea for like both buyers and sellers. So that's a good thing. So look chat, next 4 I can go open up as you can see. Remember I'm telling you something I expect. Two things can happen chat on this new 4 I can go. Would I expect this 4 I can go for flip bearish, push down and break this low. You see me chat, we can print a steeper low. We need a steeper low than this. You see me? So once we break this low, anywhere we reject from, anyway, once this 4 I can go flip back bullish start to close above the range shot. You see me? We start to get like structure. Would I look for buyers going up towards these highs? You see me? And if price not do that, if price not drive down first and try and price decide if push up first, like look, so price decide if push up first. We now look for no buys above. Cause why? Since price decide to push up first, we could literally tap these highs. Where you see we have right side to the left, we can push up, tap these highs, and then fall back down and close back into the range. So so get that, bro. It's like if we are gonna take buys above Yasa, would I need liquidity first? Would I need this candle for push down and break the lows? Print liquidity first. If we print liquidity, then we take buys above 4,019. If we don't print liquidity and the first thing price do, a push up and break the highs, we not look for no buys, we're gonna stay away. Cause if we break the highs, now we have liquidity up for go down. You see me chat? So yeah, we have both idea. Whether this can go bearish or whether it go bullish, we have idea for both sides. So now we just play waiting game, you see it? See what going. Hold on. It's where I can go chat. I'm gonna see. Cause if we fall down on 4, it's like we can react. We have a bunch of level we can react from chat. We can push down to 4,003, re-break the previous 4 I can go lows and we'll get some reaction. Or we can even break past the previous 4 I can go lows. Mood I want, if this candle can push down chat, mood I want will break past this low. Cause you see if we break past this low, the previous 4 I can go low, and we print like a steeper low, and then we flip back bullish chat on the 4 I can go, then this would have even be better, bro. This would have be this right here so would have be ideal chat. You see me? But yeah. So we have a bunch of low we can reject from. We're just wait and see which one we reject from and see if we can work with that. But the rebreak of the previous 4 I can go low though, I'm not really sure about that. I'm not really sure. I have to think about it in a chat. It's like, the reason why I'm saying I'm not sure about it, the rebreak of the previous 4 I can go low, I'm not talk about liquidity. You see me? Because if price I go drive up, would I need liquidity for drive up? So the reason why I'm not sure about the rebreak of the previous 4 I can go low is because we print this low and the whole entire time this can go just range. This is a whole entire 4 I can go just range. It don't go nowhere. And not only that, we range, we even close weak bullish. We never close bullish above. So basically what that probably mean is like this low is not enough. We don't have enough like liquidity to push it up and break the range. You see me? So that's why I say, yo, we might go need to break this low, go need to take out this low. And we could push down towards 39.44. If that will happen, that would have been ideal, bro. Once the can go start push back up, would I look for buys above? Would I look for buys above for go up towards these highs where you sit to the left? See them bunch of rejection here to the left? Would I look for target them there? But simple play chat, not too hard, bro. You're supposed to understand that. And if you don't understand, you probably going to take time for you understand. Probably simple to me, but if I first time I see strategy or a earboy strategy, probably I gotta take your time before you understand. But I same thing me do every day, chat. You see me? Same thing we do every day. So we are push down. Let me see if we can break the laws. If we can top 39 39.95. This yellow line on my have right so. I want to play some music, bro. Yeah, I forgot. I get YouTube copyright my stream, dog. I believe I get some movement still though, chat. Even though gold barely a move right now, we're gonna get some movements. You see me? By 9:30. At 9:30 I comics open, so it's like we should be able to get some volume. In the next 20 minutes. Yo, chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. May I forward? May I pick up something and I forward back? Nah, take long, man. Just give me like 2 seconds. If when I put on my face cam, it thing if when I use face cam, it crash my stream. Now me I prefer use face cam in a chat, but I know my stream crash. I don't know if I that did I reason. My stream did I crash. So I want to try again, but I'm afraid. We're almost there, chat. Like where I push down, where I try to break the low, but I'm so much that 18 pips, chat. 18 pips more towards more rebreak the candle lows. We go adjust the levels and thing to check. You see if we break the lows, look. See if we break the lows, chat. If price will push down, break the previous low, print a wick, and then we start to push back into the range, chat. Let me draw some straight line, bro. Yeah, if we break the lows, print a wick, and then we print a fake out, we start to push back up. You know, close back into the range and price push up. Once we get like a break above right as a chat, once we get a break above right as a this structure right as a, would look for buys going up towards the top of the range. Here's my chat. So I saw would look for I adjust my level and put it right as a chat just for that reason there. Cause we are print a low right now. If we manage to print a low and push back up and close back above the range, that would have been good for me. Here's my chat. So I say price do something like that, bro. I will manage to push back up and close back above like this high right so this structure we have right so that if we take advantage of this range going up instead of look for buys above this range. I look for buys go up towards this so. Say we're breaking the lows, that's good. Like the volume will start to pick up, bro. We'll start to get movements. Say I draw this down chat cause hold on, let me see some. $25 so 47. Alright, chat. So I move this and I put this line down towards 4,000. I put this down towards 4012.52. You see me chat? Remember I'm telling you, like nice. We push down and we tap this level. So like how we tap this level, can we get some reaction or some rejection? If we get some rejection and we close back above 4012.52, more look for buys going up. You see me chat? We fill this range right so. Instead I take buys above, when I look for buys going up for fill the range. So that good, but we'll see if we can get some rejection now. Let me adjust this down to and measure this first. So a 52 pip range going up, that not bad. Put this right here, so alright. Alright, try. So yeah, we top 39.95. Let's see if we get some rejection now, and if we do get some rejection, price start to push back up, you know. Price start to push back up, chat. We look for buys above 4012, right? So look for buys above, yeah. So we go up towards 4018, 4018.02, basically like the top of the range. And yeah, chat. So we wait and see. Price a move now still. A chat, we are break below a chat, but me now look for no sales chat, you see me? We'll wait first. Yeah, chat. As I'm say, we break the lows, but me I wait first, cause like, even though me have a level at 39.95, price can literally break below it a little bit and still push back up. You see me, chat. So we're gonna wait for closure. We're wait for closures, chat. I look for no sales. We're waiting for closure and structure. As in as you can see, we just push down. We're not no structure. So price can easily just pop straight back up, chat. Price can easily just do something like this. You see me? And now we're bullish back into the range. I would wait for like a next bullish closure, chat. Next bullish can fall back up. But yeah, chat, we'll wait, bro. We'll wait and see what this can go do. As I'm say, we can't tell ourselves yet because we need more confirmation, you see me? This hour, by the way, I'm see.
Today's financial tip is brought to you by Fairwinds Credit Union.
Oh, so this how much? This hour 140 pips. Whoa.
It's not fun, right?
115 minute candle.
Can help you handle these.
But we'll see if we are close back into the range.
Open an emergency savings at Fairwinds and be ready for any surprise.
I try to get fake out an idea.
Your money, visit fairwinds.org. Fairwinds is
Be patient. We are found down without structure, chat. So it's like I can't really trust this, bro. I guess it's push down. We are pushed down without structure. Yes, in my chat. So can't really trust this because price can literally push back straight up and break back into the range. So before we take sells, we'd wait for like closure below the range from the higher time frame, and not only that, we'd wait for some lower highs. Yes, in my chat. Price would have to like close below the range on the higher time frame, print some highs and fall back down. You see me? Once we start to get highs, then we look for sells on like the rebreak of the lows. Cause we still got more range going down towards right. So it's right. Some would say like the bottom of the range. So if we get sells below, yeah, so we could have looked for take advantage of this range going down. You see my chat? I will still have this to the left. But as I'm say, we need higher time frame closure and we need structure on the way down. No, 9:30 chat, comics open. That's why I also we start to get volume, bro. 9:30, like we usually like get volume. So as I'm saying, we already know me a wait point still. If we are go I'm telling again, if we are gonna look for sales, would I wait for closure below on the higher time frame? Alright, so the 15 close below there. No, would I need for see structure. You see me like would I need for see we print a top wick. If we could have pushed straight up towards 39.99 chart and make sure, yeah. If we could have pushed straight up towards 39.99, this red line where you see me have right as well. If price feels something like this, this is how we could have take sales. So push up and we tap 39.99.49 and then we print like a fake out back into the range. If price is something like that chat, would I look for sales? You see me? Would I look for sales if we go down? Cause I'm say we still have range going down. Cause this are the 15 minute candle. This are the current 15 minute candle. If we flip bearish, we got range going down towards right as a chat. You see me? So we still got range going down. So there's no FOMO. We just want to see a top wick. When we get a top wick, if we can go flip, now we have structure. You see me chat? need to say structure. We get a 15 closure below, just need to say like a higher low, and want it look a bit higher than this. I not look for no sales on the flip chart or on the rebreak of the lows. I want it push up look higher. You see if we can push up 39.99, we not settle down for less. If we tap 39.99, then we would look for take sales if we fall back down. But if we just forward, if this can go flip right now and flip back bearish right now, we avoid that, cause would expect a steep attack week, you see me? That is it. And why? Let me show you why I have a level right here. So I'm gonna change it from red. Make it be yellow. I'm gonna show you how I get my levels them as in my chat. So this yellow line where they are 39.99. If you look left, as I can see, we have like when price close below, cause my think price close below, you see me? So it's like you gotta look for historical data. You see them levels that we have, you see price push up tap this level and reject. We push up tap this level, we reject. So we have a little top right there, so and we reject. We have some more tops right there, so and we reject. You see my chat. So that's why I'm gonna put my level right here, so. That's why put my high right as I'm gonna expect price for at least tap this level. So when my yellow line there, it match up with them to the left. Here's in my chart. It match up with them to the left, right as so. Right as so, right as so, right as so, and right as so. So come on, goal. If we are gonna take sales, you have to at least push up on top 39.99. As more expect some rejection or a reaction from this level. Expect a reaction from this level. Yeah. But that's how me get the line, chat. You see me? That's how me get this line. I want to change it though. I'm gonna change it to like, sorry. Alright. So yeah, chat. But me no want the yellow line to stretch so far across my screen, so I just carry it over. You see me? But as I'm say, this there so because we have some reaction levels to the left as well. Alright, so good. Now we push up and now we basically like we print a high. You see me? We're not completely top yet, but we almost top. So me now look for no weak entry off of this level, chat. Me now look for no weak entry off of this level. Weak entry sells, me now go do that, and I tell you why. Remember, you know, gold a drive down without liquidity. If you ask me, gold just pops straight down without structure. No structure no did it on the way down. We never grab liquidity. We just get a quick pop. Price did a range and then we just get a quick pop straight down. Not about up here, so you see me? Price arrange, then all of a sudden this can just come out of nowhere, pop straight down. So that's why I'm not taking no weak entry sales right here, so because we never have structure on the way down. We just get one quick pop. If we have structure on the way down, then we would look for take some weak entry sales, like then we would look for take some weak entry sales right here. So if price did like push up, push down, reject, push down, reject. You get what I mean by structure, just higher lows. We don't have no higher lows on the way down, so therefore price can literally break this high and push back up and close back into the range. And if that happens, we will look for buys. But if it respect this high and flip back bearish, then we would expect this should be enough. We will like continue down. So we are just wait to see what price do. You see me? Good thing is we have both idea. If we respect it high and flip bearish, or if we don't respect it high and close bullish back into the range, we have idea for anything price though. Alright chat, so we fly past 39.99 and we are push up. So yeah, can we get a closure back into the range or what? Not gonna lie, go look decent now. And if me take sales chat, it would be on the rebreak of the lows, you see it. So I adjust this from 9 to 5 to the rebreak of the lows. But I'm not gonna do it yet because we're even close. When we start, if we start reject, then we'll adjust this down. And for right now, I leave the level at 39.95. And if you buy them chat, you might see me adjust this level one more time and take buys above 408. You see me? Like right so. And why? As I say, if we grab liquidity, then you can take buys as soon as we break back into the range. You see me chat? Cause you would expect, like, if we get a closure back into the range, if this bullish can go for actually close back into the range, I guess you could call this liquidity. This right so. This right so you could call this liquidity. So now we are take buys above this range. We could still expect like a push up. You see me? Towards at least right so. Because we have liquidity and we have structure on the way up. So that's why you see me adjust my levels them down some more. You see me? In more price print and more we adjust the levels them. More information we get, you know. More we can more information we get, more we can adjust the levels them chat. So yeah, more look for buys. More look for buys above 408. You see me chat? 408.44. And sales below I look for sales below the rebreak at the current 15-minute candle low at 39.90.68. Your analysis is awesome. You understand it, bro. You must understand it. That's why you say awesome. But yeah, dog, the analysis is just great. Cause like everything I'm talk about is like, see how easy we avoid like this chat. See how easy, even though we look heavily bearish, we still never FOMO into sales right here. So yeah, see my chat. So it's like the analysis is great for real. Like double analysis, bro. No cap. No cap, my bro. The analysis clean. I'm glad you kinda get it though. I'm glad you understand it. Cause that's why you say awesome, cause you understand. But yeah, the chat. If we reject and we rebreak the lows, you already know that go, bro. And if we not rebreak the lows and we get a bullish closure above the range, you know that go. Alright, you see like how we are forward close, I mark up my levels them for sales chat. Cause we are forward close, you see me? I'm sure you know how I get my levels them too. So alright, remember I said this? I put I adjust this. And I put a new line there. I put a line on the rebreak of the current 15-minute candle low. 39.90.70. Who that? I wonder who that now. Yeah, brother. See what I do cool. Alright, chat. Yeah, what did I say? I say, yo, on the 15-minute, the rebreak of the current 15-minute candle lows chat, would I look for some sales? And what I go do now, I go look left for make sure I have a level as like mark up a level as like as well. Let me see. Want to make sure I get the level right, chat. You see me? So look, what I see so far is like we can definitely adjust this level look a bit lower. You see me? Look on this what we have right as a chart. May I carry this yellow line when I have right as so? May I adjust it down some more to right as so? You see me? Cause I can see it right as so where body I can angle then there. If we close below right as so, we should be able to push down. Look right as so too. May I carry this down, the yellow line down on the top of them wicker. So yeah, as some like get my levels them. I see anytime I see me move my levels or I mark up my levels, me usually use historical data. So you see how that look way better now, chat. Now we are got a current price. Now it's a little bit off the rebreak of the lows. So now the rebreak of the lows, the right answer, and it's like 6 pips away from the rebreak of the lows. 3990.15. Here's my chat. So I saw me adjust my levels them. And if you look right answer, it look way better, cause right answer look way better, you see me? If we did leave it up, I'm showing you something. So we did leave this yellow line up on the rebreak of the lows. Once we get entry on the rebreak of the lows, chat. Once we get entry on the rebreak of the lows, with next resistance the right also. You see me? It's only 6 pips away before we run into a resistance. So you don't want that, you see me? So that's why I just adjust this line. Just 6 pips down towards the resistance. So if price will fall down, rebreak its lows, tap the resistance, then it start to reject a little bit, then we put ourselves stop on the new low where price print. You see me? And it'll be below this range right here, so. Yeah, bro, hopefully me get that. How do you know when to enter? Alright, let me show you, bro. So from entries, bro, I usually wait before any type of entry, me come up with a plan. You see me? Before any type of entry, I want to analyze the market and come up with a plan. Have an idea of what price I do. So the plan what me have so far, if I did that on the stream from earlier, the plan what we have so far is like, alright, let me show you. I'm gonna try to go over this quick. Plan what we have so far, we are range, you see me? Because before me get any type of entry, I have to come up with a plan first. You see me? So we are range, chat. In this range, we just go up, down, up, down, up, down, and all of a sudden we break out of the range. All of a sudden, you see this heavy bearish candle, we break out of the range all of a sudden. So it's like after that a consolidation and a manipulation, chat. This is how it look to me. You see, if price, this is how I get my entry. You see, if price will push back up and close back into the range, which are right here, so if that will happen, chat, we get a closure back into the range. Cause look right here, so it's like last time we close right here, so price push up. Last time, so one next one I will close right here, so price push up. One next one we close right here, so price push up. You see me? So if with a range we push down, we grab liquidity and we close back into the range, that's how me know when to enter. Cause think about it, after we push down, let me delete them. Think about it, after we push down, grab liquidity, if this for push back up and we close back into the range, you would expect price to continue up. You see me? So that's how I find my entries, chat. If this current candle, my giant suck, bro. You probably not understand. But if we forget a push back up, chat, and we close back into the range, as you can see, historical data show we every time we close above this range, we push up. Right as we push up, right as we push up. You see me? So this current candle, chat, this current candle, if we push up, we get a closure above. Would I expect a closure above here, so we should be able to pop up. You see me? So me use historical data. You want to use liquidity, understand liquidity, and understand the ranges, and then put all of them together. You see me, chat? So we are range, we push down, we grab liquidity, and now that we see that, we just put all of them together, all the information we have, and come up with like an idea for entries. So that's how I get my entries them chat. Like, just watch your market, understand what market I do, and then you're gonna be able to, like, once you have an idea what market I do, you should have an idea what market should go next. You see me? That's what I'm say. If we fake out like what price just do, we did a range when we jump on, but I know where price push down. If this is a fake out and we close back into the range, I would expect price continue up. I would expect this to be liquidity. So some would take buys. You see me? Just by like using the plan there, bro. And in a vice versa chat. Say yo, price na push up, cause price na have a push up. Say yo, we are consolidate after the range, price push down. You see me? Let me use the other one. So after a range, price push down, and after we push down, we try to drive up, but for some reason we fail for push up and we close back below the range. Then we would look for sells. Cause why? This should have been like, hold on, let me show now. Reason why I look for sells below here, so cause this right here so should have been liquidity chat. You see this low? It should have been liquidity. And price try to push up, but it fail to push up. And it only print a higher low. You see me? Cause this high where we have right here, so chat, this would have been a higher low. Yeah, a higher low. So if price fail to drive up and just print a higher low and forward back all the way down, close back below the range we have right here, so would expect once price rebreak the lows chat, once price rebreak this low, we're going to need a steeper low than this. You see me? So if we enter sales, we could expect price to push down to at least right here, so we have this to the left, we have this right here, so to the left. Yeah. And you see last time price closed below here, so we was able to drive down. Same thing, we get a wick right here, so price push down. Same thing right here, so too. You see me? So if we get a closure below right here, so right, would I expect some sales to forward down. You understand? Got it. Nice, bro. Gonna take a sell at 4,000. 4,000. Let me see which level that. Let me see which part that there. 4K, 4K. Oh, so you already get a weak entry. You already enter, bro, cause it's like we pop up to 4,000. Well, me I go wait still, but you already in or you have sell stop? Or it's just a sell stop? So 4K. So this right, that's how I look for sell at. Right, that's where I look for sales from. Yeah man, me enter. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Where your TP there? Where your TP at, bro? Where those 04. Oh, stop loss the right about. That not bad. That not bad. So basically, you sell from right, so your stop loss they are 04. 04 are right, so. And where your TP there? Your TP probably like right, so. 1 to 1 you go for. 1 to 1 not bad. 39.84. 39.84. Wait. Let me see. Whoa. So weird in there, so. 39.84 right there, so. Hey, that look decent, bro. That look decent. As long as you follow your plan. As long as you follow your plan, everything should be good, bro. You see me? That look decent. No joke. And your stop loss depend on the rebreak of the 15-minute can go high. That not bad. Cause good stop loss, bro. Cause if we break back above and if we get a closure, if we break back above and get a closure above, yes sir. As I say, if you look on historical data, every time we close above, price was able to push up. Close above, price push up. Same thing happen right, yes sir. So if it stops the right, yes sir, that not bad. Cause if price hit your stops, you the expect price to push further. So that not bad. That clean, bro. Oh, you have first TP and second TP. Nice. Nice, bro. And see if you can get a chance to go break even too. You see me? Cause if this can go re-break its highs, if this 15-minute can go re-break its highs, it's probably not gonna be a good look. We're probably gonna print a steeper high. You see me? If we re-break this 15-minute can go high. So yeah, if you get a chance to go break even, you do it. But make sure you follow your plan though. You see me? I don't know why your plan, so I can't really tell you what to do. Oh, I'll move this. Your TP upon like the range fill. Hey, that's smart, bro. That's smart actually. I true me not trade like that, but me understand everything. Me understand like your entry, your stop loss, and your TP. Everything look clean. Bro, which strategy you use, bro? Which strategy you use? ICT? Yeah, ICT sometimes. Wait, so you have multiple strategy? But so now that we print a high, basically when me and wait pan is a closure below. Cause me usually wait until it confirm. You see me? So you see like how we are forward down and we start to push up and you get a weak entry. That good. That good enough. But me usually like wait until price show me say yeah. Like Fill price show me say, yo, once we get a closure above, that basically mean that you see this high right here, so this would have confirmed. It would have confirmed that this is enough. And if we get a closure below the range, you see me chat. And then once we get a closure below the range, the next range are towards right here, so this level over here, so you see me. This are like the next support area, so you expect price push down towards 39.84. So that me wait for, you see me. Can we get a closure below or not? Look at that 30-minute. Wow. But that we talk about though, that 30-minute candle, like once it print a high, it's like if we close above the range, good, we could look for buys, but we can't really like take no weekend trend or nothing, cause we no must close above. You see me? This can be a lower high, and we already know that. And this candle just open up me and say that we can print a lower high, or the candle can just push up and just close above. But it look like we're getting a lower high. Can we get a closure below the range though? Closure below, I look for some cells. Hold on, chat. I lowers them. I look for, you see me. Make sure I say it lowers them right. Cause true mode I look for cells. True mode I look for cells from like right here, so from below. Once we get like a closure below and break, but I look for cells go down towards. Yeah, so you see me. So I just did I look left. For see if like we have no rejection in a mid-line range. Cause you have to watch out for that. You ever enter a trade and price forward close to your TP and then just reject? So that's what I look left for see if we have no rejection in a mid-line range. But me not say none. We're good. We're good. Once we close below, we should have clean range. Yeah, clean range going down towards 86. No, sorry, 87.55. Alright, chat. So I'm gonna load up MetaTrader 5 real quick. We'll probably get an entry soon. Alright, chat. So yeah, alright, I adjust my level. So I look for cells going down towards right, I saw. Look for cells go down towards this, so break even. If we forget entry, break even could be at 87.08. Right, yeah, so that'd be break even. Make sure. Alright, good. I can't even adjust it down, look more that good. Alright. Alright, that good. Let me see chat. Can we get a top wick? Can we get a closure below? 5 seconds. Closure below chat. Top wick. Would I look for some cells chat? You see me? We got 12 minutes left until this candle. And a 15-minute candle. We could look for a top wick up towards Yasa. But it look like we not get none. We not get no top wick. So chat, me like expect this 1 minute candle for close below the range and before we push down and fill the range. Cause I say we basically fill the range just now, but me like expect like my entry would have the right so. You see if this candle did open up and instead of push down, we push up first and top 39.91. Would I look for some sales. Yes, in my chat, but that never happened. We open up and we just fill the range. So GG's, bro, you're probably close full by now, though. You're probably close full. That's like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. But yeah, chat. Hopefully it goes to 39.75. Yeah. Yeah, 39.75 could be like the next level. If we close below, we definitely could get sales. But chat, me I adjust my levels them. So now that we fill the range, every time like me have an idea and price fill the range, me just adjust. So me I move my levels them down now some more. Put a level right here, so I'm gonna do this fast and quick chat cause price a move. I'm gonna measure this. Now I go FOMO chat. Price just a drop. Price basically just a melt, but me now go FOMO. If price just keep on fill the range, we just wait. We'll be patient. You see me? Me now just enter in ourselves just because price a drop. I feel like me have to get an entry confirmation before me enter. I remember I'm telling you, see if you enter a trade and you follow your plan and then you're going to draw down, you're not gonna feel no way about it. But it's like if I just enter a trade no chat just because price I push down, I'm going to draw down, that I go rough. So even though price I fall down, man wait, man be patient. Me now FOMO into sales cause we have a couple idea, but price just fill the range quick and fast. We even get no entry. Cause I'm say I just wait and be patient, bro. Anytime I get an entry confirmation, then mother look for enter. But just FOMO into the sales, nah. Today a Thursday, can't afford to fuck up my week. Right now up on a FOMO trade. We have a good week so far. So chat, basically when I wait for some rejection. You see if we can get some more rejection and we fall back down, break the lows, then that would be good. You see me? And if it just pop down, if it just pop straight down fast before we get an entry, then we just adjust. I'm gonna try to get my levels them right. Bear with me. This is how much? It's a 36 pip range. Alright, so that would be good. That would be good. That would be good if we get some rejection. Would I look for some sales below 39.79.33. I look for sales below right here, so I go down towards 39.75. 39.75 up next if we can get a closure below. You see me? 2 minutes until this can go close. But I have to be careful though, chat, cause this candle can literally flip back bullish. And if this hourly can go flip back bullish, this would just be a low. Hold on, let me hide them here. Yeah, me I say if this hourly can go flip back bullish right as a chat, this right here so would just be a low. This would just be liquidity. If we flip back bullish, bro, we would have definitely go straight up back. You see me? And once we get a closure above this range, we would look for buys going up towards the range fill. You see me, chat? So it's like this hourly candle, it got 52 minutes left. So that's a lot of time. So it's like if me I go enter sales, I want to see like that extra confirmation there. Basically, I mean more of see highs, cause the more highs we get, it confirms that this hourly can go now go flip back bullish. If price for like a push down, we push back up, we print a high, and after we print a high, we fall back down, re-break the lows. That just like once we get a high, it just confirm like say this whole entire hourly can go now go flip out back bullish. Cause if we flip out back bullish, we could definitely go straight up, and this would have be liquidity. You see me? Say yeah, bro. So that's why if I take sales chat, more that extra confirmation there. I'm not too eager for jumping a sales either, bro. I'm not too eager for jumping it. I'm gonna look on the daily time frame. Where daily can go do? Daily can go print a high, and now we're flipping out back bearish. We almost flip. Daily can go almost flip, and bear in mind, chat. You see, even if we don't get the sales now, like once this daily can go flip. Once this daily can go flip right here, so we have clean range going down same way. You see me? Cause we're still in the range. This would be bottom of range right here, and this would be top of range. You see me, chat? So daily can go today, we open up in a mid-line range. So if we flip bearish, we got range going down same way. So I just want to wait. I just wait for that extra confirmation there. We still have more range for good on, so now 4 more into nothing, bro. I swear. Lines and glitch look wild. 5 minute candle close bullish. Let me see if this candle go print a high and fall back down. Feel like I have too much lines on my chart, bro. I may have to delete some of them. If we forget entry chart, I'm gonna figure out like we break even. Would I go break even? If we forget activated in the cells, my break even would be at 39.77.12. That would be a good break even level, so I'm mark that. Well, I'm gonna say something. Alright, try. I'm mark this right here, so. Alright. This would have been my break even if we forget activated in our cells. More mark it from now, so like if we forget activated, me now like I look for level like after we already in our trade, you know what I'm ready. This hourly candle, bro. Just watch this hourly candle chat, cause if this candle flip bullish, This can go flip bullish, bro. That'll go look crazy, I swear. We expect gold to fly if this only can go flip bullish. Hold on, chat. I go for my charger and forward. I'm just hiding in line there, bro. Me have forward chat. I go for my charger. Alright. I'm there back. So we close below, chat. That's what me I notice. We close below. Alright, I'm gonna delete all of them line here and do a new markup chat, cause my chart look confusing. And price been a move, so full time now for we do a whole new markup. So me usually do it as it. Alright, let me get some levels markup chart. I get some new levels. No, I don't use too much lines on my charts either. Measure this. How much? 39. That will be bad. That will be. Go on next line right there, so. But, yeah, chat, we definitely close below. We need another high. And this right here, so this could be another lower high, or this could be the fake out will lead to the hourly candle flip. You see me? Because the hourly candle still got 40 minutes left. So like how we are push up now. Like how hold on. Like how we are push up and the candle just close below. You see me? Which candle again? 15, yes. So as what I said, this 15 minute can just fall straight up. And if that happen, don't be surprised, cause all that is just this 15 going up with the 4 hour, not the 4 hour, going up with the hourly. Cause remember, you know, if this hourly can go to flip, this 15 would need to go up and print a fake out, like a closure below the range, and then a bullish can go close back into the range. So if that will happen, if this can go for printer, this can go for push up and close above the range chart, don't be surprised. You see me? So I'm not forming into sales just yet, cause that's a possibility. But if it's like how we are reject now, chat. It's like how we are reject. You see, if we reject and for whatever reason, price don't flip out on the hourly and manage to fall back down and close below, the sales them going down would have be clean, bro. You see me? Cause price get a chance to push up. And not only that, price get a chance to push up and and if fail for drive, you can also call this right here, so just another lower high. You see me? So once we get another lower high, close back below structure, we could look for sales going down for print a low. We print another lower low than this. So we'll wait to see what price do if we close back into the range. If we print a fake out and close back into the range, or we print a lower high and close bearish. We have idea for both plays. You see me? Both buys or sells. Look like we're gonna get a fake out chat, but we got 9 minutes left still until it can go close. So you can't really call it a fake out yet until it can go close, you see me? Cause right now we look like a fake out. It look like, as I'm telling you, this can just push back up and close back into the range. So it look like now, look like a data go on, but we still got 8 minutes left though. The goal can reject in 8 minutes. So that's why we can't really confirm if fake out yet. You have to go wait 8 minutes to confirm that. Or wait till we start get like 5-minute candle closures above or something. But we need some type of closure above for confirming. Cause this can, as I say, can be a fake out and it can be a lower high. Just like we have high right, so we have high right, so. You see me? I want you to face cam in the chat, but I don't know, probably going lag. I know I may try anyways. Stream probably going crash, but may I try. Oh, me 20 on again. Go me cam on. Yeah, I want to do it. Hopefully my stream not crash. Every time, bro. About four times my stream crashed day before yesterday. Four times, bro. Man, I know if I cam did I do it. That's why I'm never use the cam. I'm mute that, bro. Bro, it's 4 I can grenade. Rainbow 4 is all I can grenade for hurry up and do what I do. Yeah, rain I go fall too. I'll have to go somewhere today, you know. What time? Almost 10:30. I know my style chat by 11 o'clock. anywhere from level o'clock to level 30. If me not see nothing, well, I just deep, bro. Call it a day. At least when I log though. So like what? Around 4,000 level. So like what? 200 pip move, bro. I know you're up good right now, dog. This is a 200 pip move. So if I get the entry from the right, so you must close off by now. Goal mover. 216 pips. Taking another sell. Wait, 39.90. Which part that there? 39.90. I'ma see. So wait, you're still in the first position, bro. We take from 4,000 level. You're still in that first position there. I think you're close full. You still got the first position running. Think you're close full, bro. Oh, you're close full. Oh. So, bro, you're not done for the day, bro. You sure you want to enter another trade? You sure about that? Or you can just Muda call it a day. That's like 200 pips, bro. Goal push 200 pips down. Or go break even on the first position, but me don't know still. Double closure though. Chat, stream a lag. Cause last time I used facecam, my stream crashed 4 times, bro. Last time I used facecam 4 times stream crash.
Boxes were all filled with gifts big and small, but sharing pure love is the greatest gift of all. Stay cozy, my people, and have a boss year.
Get into the holiday spirit with Boss and our ultimate gifting edit. Visit your nearest store or explore our curated selection online at boss.com.
put my life on the line to seal up the world. Chat, if by 11 o'clock to level 30 forward, I'm gonna get no entry. I call it a no trade day, bro. Stream good? At least stream good, bro. But probably I never the face cam. Probably the face cam wasn't the problem. Probably it wasn't the face cam, bro. As I think I did the face cam cause the stream for lag. Alright, chat. So all you can go print a high. We reject this all you can go reject like it came all the way up. Let me make sure. Yeah, we forward all the way up now. We're closing back below, chat. So me I look for some sells. If we can get an entry though, if this not just pop down, cause look, this all you can go get a chance to flip and it not flip, and now we are coming back down for re-break the lows. We're coming back down to re-break the lows. So I don't think a sell would be a bad idea. Would I expect price actually like fill this range, chat. Would I expect once we close below, get a top wick, would I enter on the candle flip or on the re-break of the lows, and would I expect a range fill? Yes, I'm chat. But can we get entry though? Cause gold, if gold just pops straight down, GG's. GG's. Alright, chat. Like if we can get a top wick, chat, may I look for sells. Once we tap this yellow line. Once we tap that yellow line, chat, we need a top wick. If we're not getting a top wick, we just call it, bro. So you go. Alright, chat. Yeah, you know what, chat? May I put sell stop and they can go flip instead. So chat, look. Once this can go print a top wick and fall back down for flip, may I put sell stop at 3981.6. No, 3981.86. Gonna be sell stop. But we need a top wick though, chat. So this can go. I need for flip bullish, print a top wick, then my place my sell stop, and after that, if we can flip back bearish, would I get activated? I don't have sell stop yet, chat. This can go need to flip bullish first. After flip bullish, sell stop gonna be at 3981. 3981.86. Alright, nice. So chat, nice. Now I have sell stop place at 3981.86. If this can go flip bearish, chat, would I get activated in sells? If we flip bearish, no weak entry. No weak entry, chat. TP would have be on the range fill. That would have been what, 40 pip? It's like, no, 48 to be exact. And in this case, if we get activated, stop, so that'll be at the high is like 200. That's like 200 pip towards the high there. So it's like what? It's 100, 120. Yeah, chat. Mother put stops on this hourly candle highs chart. Let me see. We almost get activated. We're not activated as yet. No, chat. Look, I put my stops on these highs. If price will break these highs, so this can go push back up and we break these highs, that would be stops, chat. That's why I put my stops. But we got activated, chat. We got activated. Let me see. Can we fill the range? A rebreak at this low, chat. Let me see. A rebreak at this low, we break even, chat. We're risk free on the rebreak at the low. Nice. This is a break even trade, chat. 3981.86. Hold on, I'm close full. Close full. So chat, I just close full just now. That was a 40 pip range. W trade chat. That was a 48 pip range. I'm gonna work, brother. Good stream, man. That is it, bro. That is it, bro. We all just get a trade just now. Right time. But yeah, chat, that was it. Hopefully you understand the idea behind that trade. We basically wait the whole entire day before we get that. Yeah, it was a clean trade. We barely have drawdown. We've got sell stop and it can go flip. Once the 5 minute can go flip bearish, we push straight down towards the range fill. And that was the idea, chat. So yeah, W trade, that was 40 pips, 48 to be exact. Yeah, chat. So you know what I do? I just journal that, and after we journal it, I call it a day. I call it a stream. I didn't even get a chance to play a stop loss. That's how fast gold move. I didn't even play a stop loss in an MT5. But yeah, let me see. Let me journal that trade real quick, chat, and then we'll just call it a day. So this trade was some sells at 10:35. Today wasn't a rebreak at the low. Our entry was off of the candle flip. So land. Then I'm gonna journal this real quick because I want to do this before I cut. (10:45 a.m.) Alright, so that start time. Wait, 10:35. Is that my brain a lag, bro? Hold on, try. I don't know where me get 45 from. Alright. That was goal. Take some buy. No, not buys. That was some sells. This time it wasn't off of the rebreak of the lows. It was sells off of the 5 minute candle flip. What was this, a breakout? What was the entry type? Let me see. What I said, this is like, I'm going to call this a breakout. Hold on, chat. Print the top wick and then we break back into the range. So I'm going to call this a breakout because we not break out of the range yet. Yeah. Was off for the 5 minute. So yesterday we hit break even, chat. Today we make 48 pips. So that good. What was we drawdown? This trade we never have no drawdown, chat, and you see it for yourself. This trade basically like once the 5 minute can go flip, we push straight down and hit TP. So I put zero drawdown. Pineapple 0. Pineapple is basically like if we get like a second entry. What I said today, I'm bullish, bearish at the moment. I know what I said today was like when we fall down was bullish. You see me, daily can go was bullish. What is so put that right. So now chat, we did up 116 pips. And now we make 48 pips, so now we're up 164, as you can see. It's a good week so far, chat. 164 pips tomorrow, Friday. We just have a come back Friday and end off a week strong. Is in my chat. Fall back Friday and end off a week strong. Double your trade though. Yeah. Glad me get that journal, so now we can call it a day, chat. Hopefully you guys understand the idea behind the trade. And yeah, that is it, chat. Me soon tomorrow, same time. We go live every day. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, chat. Me soon. Just drop a like on the stream on your way out. You see me? But yeah, that is it for right now. That trade is clean though. Trade is clean, chat. I can't lie. So it's clean. But yeah, chat, as I said, me soon, bro. Respect for everybody who followed out on the stream, you see me? Respect. But that is it for right now. Me soon tomorrow, chat.